Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hello, my name is Laura Cueva Miller, and I would like to share a mindfulness practice with you called the loving kindness practice. This practice is a focusing of meditation on well-wishing, of allowing ourselves to put thoughts for ourselves and well-wishing for ourselves and to various other people. The components of this customarily are commonly five. One, we're going to do well-wishing to ourselves, which is often the hardest one for most of us, that we have a hard time wishing ourselves well. We can wish well for others, but we're going to let that be an aspect of this practice that I think is just so helpful and so important. The second focus of the practice will be on someone that has really been someone we care about deeply, that's perhaps been a mentor or a benefactor, someone that's been of help to us and that's been a great example and an influence to us. The third focus will be someone neutral, someone that you've perhaps come across today or that you've come across in your life. I like to focus on the people that are always so kind and helpful to me like the cashiers at Trader Joe's, the people that I see at the farmer's market that are so sweet and helpful, just people that I have limited contact with, but that are kind of a benign sort of person in my life. The fourth one is someone a little bit difficult for you to care for. Not the person that's the most difficult for you to care for, but someone that you perhaps there's an annoyance with or you've had a difficult time with recently, allowing them to have well-wishing. And then lastly, we give ourselves the opportunity to give well-wishing to all beings. And guess what? We are included in that. So we get to kind of have that double well-wishing for ourselves. So the last one will be focusing on the well-wishing for all. So again, let yourself come into a comfortable position. Whenever there's a mindfulness practice, we always want to make sure that we have that support in our bodies, perhaps lying down, perhaps seated, whatever sort of position you find most comfortable in the body. And I'm going to close my eyes during the practice, so I invite you to do the same, and allowing ourselves to have that focus. Sometimes a visual stimuli can just be a little bit too much when we're trying to practice a mindfulness practice, and letting ourselves have the opportunity to shut that one down a little bit. So with the eyes closed, letting the hands be in a position wherever they're the most comfortable. And as I said, let the body be in a position that's comfortable, whether that be lying down or seated. As we practice this particular loving kindness practice, or what is called metta practice in Buddhism, we're going to, obviously I will be the one who's speaking, so when I say I am your voice at that time. So allow my voice, so it's not about having Laura have all those loving kindness practices, but it's about you as well. So whenever I say, may I, let my voice be your voice to yourself. So we'll go ahead and begin with ourselves, as I said. May I be safe and protected. May I be safe and protected from all inner and outer harm. May I feel safe and protected. May I be happy and at peace. May I be truly happy and deeply peaceful. May I know real happiness and peace. May I be healthy and strong. May I be as healthy and strong as I can possibly be. May I be healthy and strong. May I accept myself as I am at this moment. May I accept myself completely as I am right now. May I accept myself completely with wisdom and compassion. May I know that I am enough. May I know that I am loved. Allowing those well wishes to gently permeate your being. And then allow yourself to bring to your mind's eye, so an image of someone who has been a great influence in your life, perhaps a mentor, a teacher, a loved one. That can include even a pet. They don't have to even necessarily be someone that is alive. It's okay if there's someone that has been in your life and maybe they've passed. I'm going to wish them well. So my voice is your voice. You're envisioning that being. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected from all inner and outer harm. May you feel safe and protected. May you be happy and at peace. May you be truly happy and deeply peaceful. May you know true happiness and peace. May you be healthy and strong. May you be as healthy and strong as you can possibly be. May you be healthy and strong. May you accept yourself completely as you are. May you accept yourself as you are at this moment, right now. May you accept yourself completely as you are, with wisdom and compassion. May you know that you are enough. May you know that you are loved. allowing yourself to sense that person receiving that well-wishing. And then allowing that image of that person to be released, and allow the image of someone benign, someone who maybe has crossed your paths recently. You don't know them that well. We're going to allow ourselves to give them some well-wishing as well. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected from all inner and outer harm. May you feel safe and protected. May you be happy and at peace. May you be truly happy and deeply peaceful. May you know profound happiness and peace. May you be healthy and strong. May you be as healthy and strong as you can possibly be. May you be healthy and strong. May you accept yourself completely as you are. May you accept yourself totally as you are at this moment. May you accept yourself completely as you are, with wisdom and compassion. May you know that you are enough. May you know that you are loved. Really envisioning those well wishes being bestowed upon that person. And then turning our vision of someone to someone, again, just a bit of difficulty with, a little bit of struggle, a little bit of annoyance. Not the most difficult person in our lives. Someone just a little bit difficult. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected from all inner and outer harm. May you feel safe and protected. May you be happy and at peace. May you be truly happy and deeply peaceful. May you know real happiness and profound peace. May you be healthy and strong. May you be as healthy and strong as you can possibly be. May you be healthy and strong. May you accept yourself as you are right now, with wisdom and compassion. May you know that you are enough. May you know that you are loved. And letting that person experience those well wishes. And then we're going to open our well-wishing much larger from here. So whatever opening makes sense to you, to family, to community, to the entirety of this earth, beyond that, whatever makes sense for you at this time. May all beings be safe and protected. May they be safe and protected from all inner and outer harm. May they feel safe and protected. May all beings be happy and at peace. May all beings be truly happy and peaceful. May all beings be healthy and strong. May they be as healthy and strong as they can possibly be. May all beings accept themselves as they are, with wisdom and compassion, with deep wisdom and compassion. May all beings know they are enough. May all beings know they are loved. Allowing yourself to sense the waves of that well-wishing out upon all beings. And perhaps I'd like to, as I open my eyes, allowing my hands on my chest, just to seal that practice of well-wishing. Having the eyes open. Thank you for sharing this loving kindness practice with me today.